As you can see, my windshield wipers stuck. So I'm about to repair these joints. I'll show you how we do it. First thing, we gotta remove these joints right here. Walking to the store to get a Band-Aid. Alright, we back. Feel me? Took care of that. Also gonna put some gloves on. You see me doing a damn thing. Yeah. There we go. Take this joint off. This joint slide right out. See this piece down here? This should go up here. On top. Like that. These two pieces fit together like that. Well, it's another way to test it. I could turn the car on and start it and turn the wipers on. So 1 second, let's see. What I'm gonna probably do is tighten it again and then reassemble everything. Keep sliding down here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone right here. And there you go.